All right, everybody, you saw the title. You know exactly what this video is all about. So we're going to get right into it. I'm going to do a quick pop quiz. Do you know what 3 times 5 is? If you said 15, you're absolutely correct. And not only are you smarter than a 5th grader, but that is also the amount of knives that we're going to be giving out. We're doing a giveaway of 15 different knives across all channel subscribers, channel members, and Patreon supporters as well. So we're going to waste no time. So there are going to be 3 channel subscriber winners. Each winner is going to get a pack of 3 knives. The first pack of knives, or the first price bundle if you would, we're starting things off here with the Sheepdog. This one is on D2 with the blacked out blade, Savage, XL size, green D2, right? Proud liners, liner lock. This thing is absolutely savage. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on these knives because you can just look them up here in the channel. I got overviews, unboxings, everything you need to know about every single knife. So we're going to move right along. So that is going to be bundled with, we got the Telium Tactical. This one's got G10, Proud liners as well, a deep pocket reversible clip on a D2 blade. And I'm gonna put them here on the screen as we go. And the last price here for that whole bundle there is gonna be this Jin DIY Build Your Own Knife folder here. I built this one on one of the videos. It comes as a kit and you get to build it yourself. This one's got the USA flag colors, Proud liners, liner lock, and a D2 blade there. The beautiful satin finish. So one person is going to be winning this bundle right here. There is going to be a second subscriber winner, and the second bundle is going to be including the Molsec Jungle. And just like the name implies, you can tear down a jungle with this thing, 14C 28N steel. And yellow, we got the banana yellow G10 liners here. Proud liners, it is a liner lock and deep carry clip. So this thing is a behemoth, some crazy size with some crazy blade. To match that, we have the yellow banana Orbit, right? Also from Molsec, 14C 28N steel blade on this one as well. Beautiful hollow ground drop point blade and Proud liners. It is a liner lock with a deep pocket carry clip, right? Rocking that yellow there. So you can maybe carry both of those at the same time. They got the same black and yellow, black and yellow, black and yellow theme going on there. And the last price for that bundle right there, this same winner is going to get the Summit Gear. I call it Joseph's Tunic, but I know there's a technical name for this multicolor G10. Recessed liners on this one. We got an aluminum backspacer there, and it is a liner lock with a front flipper with a very pokey tip. And yeah, this thing is going to be pretty snappy there. So absolutely a very interesting folder for sure. And again, this is going to be one bundle here. So the second winner is going to win all those 3. And there's going to be a third and last subscriber winner. All you have to do is be subscribed, and you will need to enter a comment with the keyword down below. So definitely stay tuned, right? Watch the video because I haven't given you all the details yet. Some people come for a giveaway video and they just want to rush and skip forward and miss details. Like, you know, you're potentially winning a prize, so might as well stick around and, you know, make sure that you get all the details you need to make sure you qualify. The last and final subscriber winner is going to get a bundle of 3 knives, starting with the Artisan Cutlery Rebel. This one here is ARRPM 9 steel with the stonewash blade there, flat grind. We got the sort of teal looking FRN with some milling on it, recessed liners, and a plunge lock, button lock, super fidgety rail conical design. This thing is absolutely a workhorse for a budget EDC knife. So that's the first one there. We are going to look at the second one. It's another tank. This thing is the Free Tiger. I think it's called the FTA1. It has a D2 blade that is blacked out or coated there in black for corrosion resistance. Beautiful drop point blade there with a flat grind. We do have the PP scales on this one, which are actually done pretty well. The liners underneath are pretty interesting too because they have a different shape and they don't necessarily contour to the Ultim itself. So that's nice. And it is a liner lock and it's got a flipper deployment there. So that is the second knife for that price bundle. And last but not least, we have the 9TI EDC. This one is a folder with G10 exposed liners, and we have the ability to replace the blade on this one, right? You have a little bit of a bolt here you can untie, and you can, you know, do different blades on this one. 440 steel, and I have all the spare blades. So deep pocket carry clip, it is reversible. So once this one goes dull, you can just put a brand new blade on there. It has a Scandi grind, so it's a very interesting take, kind of like in that whole utility knife, but you still get like an actual knife blade instead of a utility blade. So that's pretty cool. So that is the third knife for that price bundle. So again, 3 winners for subscribers to the channel. One is going to win these 3. Second winner going to win those 3. The third winner going to win those 3. Again, no purchase necessary. You just got to be subscribed to the channel. and keep paying attention here so I can tell you what the keyword is that you're going to want to enter in the comments. The next few are going to be for channel members, right? Not only are you subscribed to the channel, but you also have a channel membership. That means that you have maybe, you know, the channel memberships I think start at $1 or $1.99, and that means you're taking your support a little step above than usual. Spoiler alert, I don't have a lot of channel members, so chances are pretty high that you can win. And again, this one's also going to be a 3-price bundle as well. We're starting here with the Sasaya from CJRB. This one's got that cookery style or Chilean cutter style blade, flat grind, AR RPM 9 steel with the blue G10 stainless steel bolsters, right? Button lock, plunger lock, button lock. That's really fidgety. Reverse flick, thumb deployment, right? All the good sauce right there. I'm gonna do it like there. There we go. So we can maybe differentiate them a bit. Second price, keeping it with CJRB, we got the Maximal. And this one is David C. Anderson's design from the Knife Center. We got green micarta recessed liners on here with a deep carry pocket clip that is reversible. It is a crossbar lock that is super fidgety, thumb stud deployment, right? Reverse flick, all the good stuff. Stonewash draw point blade with a flat grind AR RPM 9 steel. So that's that. And there's one more, but wait, there's more. The final price right here is going to be this little but mighty guy. This one's going to be the Netfoss Owl D2. And it's got a small little blade there, but it's got the carabiner in the back. So it's kind of like an extra knife that's just nice to have on a backpack or maybe your carry gear, you know, in your car or something like that. It is a liner lock with the milled aluminum scales, pretty lightweight. So figure that would be kind of a very nice touch to add there. So that is 3 knives. You know, could have left it at 2, but I wanted to do the third knife. And we're running out of room here. So let's see how we make them fit. Okay, right there. This is price number 4 here for channel members. And last but not least, we have Patreon supporters. These are folks who are taking their support the next level as well. It has to be a paid tier, even though Patreon has a free tier. This has to be a paid tier. I think it starts at $1. And obviously, you know, you can also support with a higher amount as well. But one lucky Patreon winner is going to be taking home the old knife Duron right here. Recently just did an unbox on this one. Beautiful aluminum, or technically AOL. I always keep calling it AOL.
You've got mail.
OAL aluminum, which is their proprietary aluminum, has a nice unmilled portion and a nice little micro mill portion. Looks really good. Nitro V with a nice coating on there. I believe it's PVD if I'm not mistaken. It is a frame lock with a steel insert for steel and steel contact. Thumb stud deployment, and just a very classic, elegant design. This one has this dark green that almost looks like black, but it's really a dark green. So that's nice. So that's going to be the first knife in that bundle. We have, I wanted to match a little bit. So they're also going to be same winner. It's going to be same Patreon member is going to be taking home an aluminum handle. The old knife U1 Ultra. This one's a utility blade that is a plunge lock, button lock. We got a flipper here. We got thumb studs. So you can fidget with this thing, right, as much as you want. We have a ceramic blade, I want to say, if I'm not mistaken. This thing is a laser beam. This thing cuts sharper than some of the utility blades you can get in any store, really. So it's pretty insane what the ceramic blade can do. Action is great, really well built. You can forward choke on it, great for EDC. So it's a nice companion to have for the, green and black Duron. So that kind of makes sense. And the final knife for that bundle is going to be the cousin here to the Owl, and that's going to be the Netfoss Flamingo. So it's got this wicked Warncliffe blade right there, D2 steel, blacked out for corrosion resistant. Also has aluminum handles on this one. You have a little bit more handle real estate on this one. You can forward choke there all day. Also has that carabiner in the back, so you can toss this just like the Owl on a backpack. You can put it on, say, a purse, or on your car, your truck, whatever you want to put it. Right, that's a Flamingo. Again, guys, I have content for all these knives, so we're not going a lot in detail into all of these, because again, I've overviewed and made content on all these knives here on the channel to some extent. So just put the knife name Miguel EDC if you want to learn more. You can see the full overview video to learn more. But yes, to summarize, we are going to have 3 winners, right? 3 subscriber winners, right? These are the top row right here. 3 lucky subscribers. You have to be subscribed to the channel. The first winner is going to get these 3. Second winner right there. Third winner right here. And then we have our channel members, right? These 3 right over here. And then we have these 3 right there. That's the Patreon winners, okay? I also want to put this out there, guys. If any of you guys has any extra knives, maybe you don't use, maybe you don't carry as much, and perhaps you want to donate them to the channel for future giveaways, I'm also open to that, right? I only get a certain amount of knives from different brands and such, which I'm moving around, which I'm making content on, and things like that. So if we want to make the prices a little bit sweeter, maybe someone you or someone you know has some, again, spare knives that, again, you don't use as much. Maybe they're part of your collection, maybe they're not. Maybe they're interesting knives. They could be loaners, right? You can send them my way and I can make content on them and then I can send them right back. I'll definitely put my P.O. box on the screen right here so you guys can let me know. We can chat. I also have my email on the screen as well. So if you want to send them in as loaners, Ian from IDK Knife Reviews has done that a few times, as you've probably seen on a few videos already. Or if you want to send them in as donation for future giveaways, that would be also pretty interesting, pretty exciting as well. And I'm sure the community as a whole, everybody is going to really appreciate that. So details on the screen if you want to do that. Again, out of the kindness of your heart, that would be absolutely amazing. I know we have an absolutely awesome EDC knife community out there. So again, thank you in advance for that. Something to consider. Now, the channel members and Patreon members don't have to do anything special. They're automatically entered into the giveaway draw because they're already supporting the channel, right? They're going above and beyond with that additional support, right, on a monthly basis. But because we have so many subscribers in the channel, right, all these subscribers will need to do one additional step. So you have to be subscribed to the channel. And the magic word or the magic keyword that I'm going to be filtering for is 35K. 35K. That's it, 35K. The channel just hit 35K. And honestly, I was planning on doing this giveaway, gathering the knives. What am I going to give away for this one? And, you know, we were at 30K and next thing you know, I blinked and now we're at 35K. So I'm super grateful to you all. I really, really appreciate, guys, everything that you do supporting the channel, whether it is you are a Patreon member or channel member or you're just a subscriber, but you enjoy every upload, you comment, you watch the videos fully to the end, and you engage, or at least you consume the content as much or as little as possible. I mean, as long as you're getting enjoyment, value, entertainment out of it, right, that really makes me happy. So this is, again, a giveaway for 35K subscribers. And of course, the next bit of information you need to know is when am I going to be drawing the winners for this giveaway. Guys, the draw is going to be on October 15th. That is the last day. So you have technically until 11:59 p.m. on October 15th. After that, this video is going to go unlisted. So there are no more entries after that. And I'm going to be doing the drawing on the 16th and also making the announcement via the channel community tab. So definitely, again, check the channel posts, aka community tab. That is where I let you know about drops and new knife releases and restocks and knife news, and also where I let you know about winners for some of these giveaways. I've had prizes in the past that have not gotten claimed. So I mean, that's the worst thing that could happen is you win something, right? You win a prize and then you forget to claim it, right? That's unfortunate. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do maybe like a week tops. If I announce a winner, I don't hear from them, to redraw, you know, get the next runner up or what have you, so that I can send these away. I really want to get these in your hands. Again, I'm really grateful for all your support. Never did I imagine in 2023, about January when I started, that at this point we will be at 35,000 subscribers. I'm really excited for what's ahead. Hopefully this year we can finish at 50K. That would be amazing. But again, to each and every single one of you, I love and appreciate you all. Thank you for all you do in supporting the channel, all the hard work that I put in making this possible so that you can enjoy it, and also the hard work that you do in consuming, enjoying the content, so that it makes it worthwhile for me to keep going. Last but not least, I'm going to have some terms and conditions, guys, down below. Definitely want to read the description. YouTube is not responsible for this giveaway in any way, shape, or form. I'm going to be the one and only sole responsible party for making sure these prizes are sent out to the winners accordingly. So definitely, that being said, check the description, read all the terms on there. I'll also put them on the pinned comment for your convenience. Hope you guys enjoy. Again, best of luck to everybody. And again, thank you all so much. That being said, guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Should be on the screen, either this one to the left or this one to the right. Take care. Peace.